Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize Cleo's savings challenges. Now, saving money can get boring fast, but Cleo spices it up with a bit of fun, customizable saving challenges to keep you engaged. Let me show you how it's done. First step is to tap on the savings section. Now, you're going to find it from the dashboard, usually under the piggy bank icon. Step 2, choose savings challenges. Cleo offers options like no spend days, roundup, or weekly boost. Step 3, pick a challenge type. Now you're just going to select a challenge that fits your lifestyle and goals. And step 4, personalize the rules. Now you can adjust how aggressive you want to be. You could edit the amount to save, the frequency of savings, as well as which accounts to save into. Step 5, confirm and start. Now Cleo will track your progress and nudge you to stay on target. Personalized saving challenges turn savings from a chore into a game that you can actually win. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.